Bhagna's Beauty World. I'm Bhagna. Today we're gonna create this beautiful, dramatic, traditional Bengali Falgun makeup look. So without further ado, let's start the video. For the foundation, I'm using a pan stick. It is full coverage, stays all day long, and it is suitable for all skin types. Now I'm setting my face with loose powder. Let's just give 10 minutes to our skin to absorb the powder, and after that the face is set, we'll pull off the excess powder. I've done my eyebrows in the off camera. If you want to know, you can check out the description box. I'll link my eyebrow tutorial there. I did my one eye in the off camera and I'll show you in the other eye how I created that. I'm taking this matte light orange in a fluffy brush and blending this in the outer corner as a transition shade. Taking this pinkish matte orange color as a crease shade with a fluffy brush, I'm blending it in the outer portion of my crease. Using a BB cream which is too light for my skin to cut my crease. You can use any concealer which is 3 or 4 shades lighter than your original skin tone. I use this because it's too light for my skin, so I can't use this as base. And if you want to know how to cut crease, you can check out my cut crease tutorial that will be linked in the description box. Let's just give 5 minutes for the concealer to set in the skin, and after that with the white color eyeshadow I'm setting it all over to perfectly set in the skin and so that it doesn't move. Now I'm placing some cherry red color eyeshadow in between the crease shade and the cut crease so that there's no harsh line between them. Now with the tapered fluffy brush, I'm just blending everything, and I haven't taken any eyeshadow in that brush. I'm just blending everything so that they could look so much put together. In the off camera, I wore a false lash. Now I'm taking this black gel liner to do a winged eyeliner. To tightline my lower lash line, I'm using this white eye pencil. With this matte light pink, I'm connecting the lower lash line with the transition shade. Now with this lilac pink shade, I'm smudging my lower lash line very close to the lash line. I'm highlighting my inner corners with this golden highlighter. So here is the completed eye look. In the off camera, I did my contouring. Now I'm using this shimmery mauve blush. To sharpen my contouring, I used some loose powder. For face highlighting, I'm using this silver color highlighter. Lips, I'm using this cherry red liquid lipstick. And here presents the complete makeup look. Can you imagine a Bengali look without a bindi? So here it is. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.